In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert online videos into a Microsoft Word document. Whether it's a tutorial video from YouTube or an inspiring clip from Vimeo, embedding videos in your document can really enhance your presentation or report. So let's dive in and take this process step by step. To kick things off, ensure that you've got your Microsoft Word document open and ready to go. Whether you're putting together a report, a presentation, or any other content type, make sure the document has enough space to accommodate a video comfortably. Next, you'll want to grab the video link from your favorite hosting platform. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the video you want to embed. It could be on popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Once you've found your desired video, you'll need to copy its URL. Just click on the address bar at the top of your browser to highlight the full URL, then right-click and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control+C if you're on a PC or Command+C if you're using a Mac. With the video URL tucked away in your clipboard, let's move back to Word. Position your cursor within the document at the exact spot where you want the video to appear. This gives you control over how the video integrates with the surrounding text and content. Once you're happy with the chosen spot, navigate to the Insert tab found on the ribbon at the top of the Word application. The ribbon is where you'll see most of the tools and features Word offers. In the Insert tab, direct your attention to the Media group. Here you'll find an option labeled Online Video. Click on it, and Word will prompt you with a dialog box. This is where you'll paste the URL you copied earlier. Simply click inside the text box within this dialog box and paste your URL by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the trusty shortcuts Control+V for PC or Command+V for Mac. Once your URL is comfortably sitting in the text box, all that's left is to click the Insert button. Word will handle the rest, embedding the video directly into your document at your chosen location. Keep in mind that the video is sourced from the web, so an internet connection is required to play it directly within Word. You might also want to take a moment to resize or move the embedded video to ensure it lines up well with your other content. Congratulations, you've just embedded an online video into a Microsoft Word document. This simple process can make your documents more interactive and engaging. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to explore and experiment with different videos to enrich your documents further. Happy embedding!